Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me these two files, and both of them are layered with nodes. That's 1,100 nodes on a curved product. These two items, this is mine, but you can't tell any different. There's a little bit of different on the stem. But if we select his and go to the nodes, it's got 307. Mine has, no, his has 3,007, mine has 346. So 3,007 versus 346. Very easily done. He said he tried to use the, which I show off a lot, the reducing things by 20%. We're going to left click, right click. And even though his page is real small down here, I'm going to hit P and put it in the center of the page. You don't have to do this, but it would make life a little easier to just clean up half of it. So I drew a straight line and put it in the center of the page. Now that's where my graphic was off a little bit because that's not in the center of the page because I deleted this side. So this time I'm going to delete the other side. Doesn't really matter what side you delete. You just want to get it all. Now we're going to take our line away. We're going to go, I know he's got Corel 2021, so he's got the smoothing tool that started in 17. I'm actually going to, I'm working with millimeters again, so I don't know, bump it up a little bit. And if we look right now with it, we grab it with the pick tool and then go to the shape tool. We've reduced the nodes in half because we've cut it in half. But we're going to grab the smoothing tool. Let me zoom in here a little bit. When you do to me, when you want to do the smoothing tool, make sure you can see your whole item. Then grab the smoothing tool and just start moving. You've got to click on it to see that little node right there, and then just kind of drag it through there. The bigger you are, the faster you kind of need to go. And then let's look at it now. We went from 1,500 to 255. Then you could kind of look in like there's some triple node right there. So you could go in there and just see what's going on there. And you could actually probably delete those nodes. Doesn't really change the item. You know, you could go through here and manually. The smoothing tool actually removes nodes. That's how it works. I'm having trouble kind of showing you the nodes. Let's get a spot that's bad. Right in here. So we're going to zoom in right in here. Then if you ever do that, you could hit the zoom key and you can kind of see the problem. So if we look at these nodes, they're not that many together, but let's get the smoothing tool and just go over it real quick. Bam. Now let's get the shape tool. See, it deleted those other nodes. And so the further the way you are away from it, you're going to see nodes that are so close to each other. Not necessary. Like that node right there is probably not necessary. These two nodes right here are probably not necessary. That node right there, just not necessary. It actually gives it a smoother effect. So I would be happy with that. Now let's Control D and make a duplicate. Holding down the control button and grab this node right here till you get a 2-point line and just bring it over. Now on an item like this that wasn't symmetrical, you need to check. And we're good there. And we're okay there. My feeling right now is to take the rectangle tool, get the smart fill and fill it in and see if it works, and it worked. And then once you have it filled in, you could left click, right click again, and you've got if you wanted to make that stem not so even on the bottom, you could take that node away. You don't particularly want it, it's Mother Nature, so it's not going to be symmetrical in that aspect. But now we've got 412 nodes versus 3,007. And just for him or anybody, how I got that color, I just went to the Smart Fill tool, got the eyedropper, picked that green from his file. And there you go. I think he's got another question, but I wasn't 100% understood. So maybe when I send him the video, he'll respond. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.